this is my explanation of the DO sag curve. On the left, you can see this is where it starts in the clean zone, and in this zone it's full of life. There's a lot of fish, microorganisms, and it's full of oxygen. Then you can see through that pipe where the waste is entering the water, and this brings us into the decomposition zone. This zone is where the waste is added, and the curve you can see starts to drop there, and this is due to the bacteria, because now they have food. They can eat up all the oxygen, which will cause the fish to have to leave this area with all that consumption of oxygen and low oxygen levels. Then that brings us to the septic zone, which is where the oxygen levels are at 2 parts per million, and in the septic zone, it's the lowest level. This is where fish start to die, and all of the fish have left, and they start to die because of the low oxygen. They no longer have oxygen. Then we move into the recovery zone, which is where the curve starts to go back up. And in this zone is where the bacteria has already consumed all the oxygen, so it starts to level back out, and fish start to slowly come back in. And then finally we reach the clean zone, which is where everything has reset, all the oxygen is back, and everything is back to normal. So the whole process kind of recycles.